What's left is the last refuge for the world's rarest bird of prey, the mighty Philippines eagle. With just 400 pairs remaining, a chick on a nest is a very scarce sight. Now aged 10, this is her first chick. It's 4 months old, already nearly a metre tall, and increasingly confident. Although Mother still likes to give a helping hand. The chick is very demanding. She expects regular food drops. But like a toddler having a tantrum, she doesn't want any help at mealtimes. Already she is the same size as her father, and too big to argue with. But if his youngster is to take her next steps, he knows it's time for some tough love. From now on, visits will be less frequent. The parents drop by with an occasional food parcel. But a small fruit bat isn't much to get excited about. It's confusing when your parents don't visit as frequently as they once did. Every day she calls, but no one is paying any attention. It's time to become a proper eagle. Flapping strengthens flight muscles in 2-metre wings. Though that skill is still some time off. So far, she's never ventured beyond the security of her nest. And with good reason. There's a 70-metre drop to the forest floor. A fall would be fatal. It's a nervous moment, but she must persevere. Right now, she's all toes and talons. Sudden gusts of wind are not helpful when balancing over a death-defying drop. And the daily downpours don't make it any easier. Every day she gets a little stronger and more confident. Her first ever flight from her nest tree. It'll be nearly a year before she's fully independent.